Alright, so today I've been wiring in these gauges. So far I have the lights that work on them. Okay. So let's turn it on. I got the, what's it called? Voltmeter to work. Next we're gonna do the heat gauge, and then after that we're gonna do the oil pressure. Get everything here. Yeah, zoom out here. So we got all this stuff here. This good thing. This, I have to drill it through the firewall. It has to go through. Well, it has to go through the firewall, and it has to come out and go over here. So it has to go in this thing right here. So zoom in for you. That is my sensor. So I'm gonna pull that out, and I have a adapter and a new sensor I can put in. Here's the hole that I cut out for the, where is it, right here? The hole I cut out for my other wires and stuff. They all go through here. That's why I ran my KC lights. It's really messy. I gotta clean it up, but hey, it works for now, right? So that's what we're doing today. For you, it'll be a few seconds. For me, it's probably going to be about an hour to get everything prepared and good. So see you when it's darkish.